Joe, Beer Master. Today we have a 2010 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to show you how to get the mirror off if you're changing the door mirror. We already started, but we're going to restart the process a little bit here. First thing you want to do is open the door and take this inner panel off with a little screwdriver. Pry that out. Now, this is a manual mirror, so there's no wire. So there's only three 10mm bolts right there. We're going to take them off.
Nuts
on bolts.
Some of them have bolts.
Now if this was electric, you would see a wire that goes down there and you would have to disconnect this panel.
Take the whole door apart.
If you can't take it apart, you would have to take the door panel off, and you can see that in another video. And that's it. That's pretty much how this mirror comes out. Those three bolts, stud nuts. It comes right off. We're just resetting it here for proper installation. And then we're going to get the mirror and put it back. And the cap comes separately. Over here we have a cap in this bag. All right, tighten them back up.
All right, Lila, the one hit my foot.
All right, so then we're going to just tuck that rubber in a little bit. It's old, so it got a little loose. Actually, the door got a little bent. Then we're going to click the cap on, which is real easy. Line it up. Just click it on. Bada bing. Joe Beer Master. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I hope you liked the video, and I hope it helped.